Every journey starts with a feeling you can't explain.
A map can show roads. It can't show what they'll change.
Sometimes the best moments aren't on any itinerary. Even the storms become part of the story.
The world feels bigger when you sit still long enough to hear it.
There are places that make you feel wonderfully small. Till long and wonder lives just beyond what feels familiar. Travel isn't collecting places. It's collecting perspectives. The places fade. The feelings stay. Some nights remind you how much more there is to see. Every trip ends, but a part of you never comes back the same. The world is waiting. Where will your story go next?